Hello, Alex, brother. Welcome back to China.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have a seat. I saw you when you've been to Syria. You went to different city and work hard. Amazing.
This is what we must do, regarding our business, to expand the business and take very good care of the business.
Wow. So this time, before you come back to China, I saw you order a huge order.
Yeah, this time from now on our orders are going to be like that,
I say this time you come back, how you got this confidence?
Because first and foremost, because of the teamwork.
Yeah.
Teamwork is the most important thing. Always they are available for us, and they are always there for us 24/7, supporting us and taking very good care of the quality and quantity, and they are making sure that everything goes according to our orders and our needs, in Syria. This is one. Two, according to the feedback of the customers. As a trial, I started with 10 orders, from you at that time. I just wanted to explore the market, see the feedback from the customers. When some customers said, "Oh, we tried so many LCD screens, but we haven't seen anything like that, like the quality and like the brightness and the service of it, and the packaging." People were amazed in Syria about everything regarding our FLYCDI, screens. So I was very happy to hear that feedback from customers and from the local customers and clients in Syria. So that's why that what gave me not 100, 1000% confidence in this LCD screens. And I was very happy to meet all of you, and you were like a family to me,
Yes, brother, because you are very focusing for branding FLYCDI brand, and you choose us, you have got a very huge confidence. And second, we choose you is because of the mindset is the same, as the same vision. Yeah, this is very important.
Thank you.
Because we choose before we have so many good experience and bad experience. Some partner or some agent, they choose me, and after they choose second brand, third brand. In the finally, they cannot make a successful business.
They ruined everything.
That's why we understand how to choose the good partner. Now, step by step.
Yeah, I can see that you have really good experience in that.
So how to expand for FLYCDI in Syria market? Do you have any plan?
Of course, I have so many brainstorming ideas in my mind,
Wow.
But I'm going to keep it as surprise.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Kenta. Thank you.